Okay, well, you saw what size those plastic anchors were, and because they're going into stucco and stuff, you remember the little screw they gave us? That's why it was spinning, because it's so small. And that plastic anchor is going in, and then there's not much behind the backing of that stucco. And so I took one, see how much bigger these threads are? I took one this size, but about this long. Okay, and I put those in. I put 4 of those in. And that top one is all nice and tight now. And I put all of those in that same size up there. Sometimes you have to slightly do certain things different. That's why I've got all these extra screws in here and stuff. I never throw screws away. And so now I have some little small screws left for another project, okay? And I leveled it and everything, and everything's all nice and good. So now when Mother comes out the front door, okay, she comes out the front door, she drops down here with her key. The mailman comes, drops his mail through there. Mother comes out later, opens the door, and finds out her mail. The gentleman locks the door, and away you go. Okay? Well, that's it for this project. Looking good for sure. Now see, doesn't that look nice? Because the door's here, I mean, there's nowhere else we really wanted to put that. And I like it that the key is over here. Most of them are like that, but I mean, if they were over there, you'd have to open it this way. You know, when the mail guy comes, he doesn't have to open this bottom. He just pops everything through the top, see? And then when Mother comes out the door right here, she comes over here, opens it up that way. She's standing here out of the rain and everything else, and away she goes. And like I say, if you get a note from your doctor saying, hey, you can't make it down your stairs or your driveway down to your mailbox anymore, they'll give you a note, and maybe you can do the same thing my mother did. All she did was send in her paperwork to the right authorities, and they okayed her to have a mailbox next to her door. Nice. Well, that's all I got for this time, but I'll be back with more videos. And what am I going to show you next time? Well, I think we're going to be at this front, and it's going to be having to do with a grab bar. Yes, I'm going to be installing a grab bar, and I wonder where I'm going to install it. Well, that's my next video, so stick around and watch it. It'll help Mother out for sure, because she's got a step here. She has to maneuver over that. She hangs onto that, goes around. But I'm going to make it a little bit easier for her. And that video is coming up next on how to install a grab bar next to a front door.